It's only women's soccer. Nobody cares.
Ricky, the doctors say the accident left you mute. Do you know what that means? It means you can't talk no more. But just because you can't talk, don't mean you can't communicate. Look what I got you. You wear this everywhere you go.
Kick it over here. Hi, my name is Ricky.
Nice job on defense. Hi, my name is Ricky. You suck. You seriously fucking suck, dude.
Ricky, the doctors say the accident left you mostly deaf. Do you know what that means? I said, do you know what that means? Well, anyway, this is just another challenge, huh, Champo? I got you these hearing aids.
Hey, nice hustle. Hello, I'm hearing impaired.
You kinda suck. Hello, I'm hearing impaired.
Ricky, the doctors say the accident affected your brain. We don't really know what that means yet, but I got you these googly eye glasses.
We won. Howdy, I have brain damage.
3 cheers for Howdy I Have Brain Damage.
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Wow, that was really something. Which kid is yours?
That fat Asian kid.
Now please welcome superstar DJ, Steve Aoki! Make some noise!
The club scene is the last untapped market for baseball talent. Steve Aoki, I'm JB Bernstein. I'm a sports agent. You should pitch in the big leagues.
Why the would I want to do that?
Let's just say it's a way for you to make $1 million.
I made $10 million last night.
Playing other people's songs?
Hey, I added beeps and boops.
I'm not taking no for an answer. You see that Aoki hot sauce?
Come on, man. I throw sheet cakes. I can't throw a sports ball.
What if we get you a sheet cake shaped like a sports ball? Now let's try it with cupcakes.
Now pitching for your Los Angeles Dodgers, Steve Aoki. The Dodgers must really believe in this Aoki kid to put him in the ninth with bases loaded and a World Series berth on the line. And Aoki falls behind in the count 3-0. The Dodgers are really in trouble.
You gotta let me do this my way.
There's no rule against it.
It's back, way back. That cake is gone. Dodgers lose.
I'm a failure. We lost.
No, Steve. Look.
It's what I was born to do.
Don't throw it to me. Don't throw it to me. Oh, no, 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 not to me. Don't throw it to me.
Two for flinching.